Hey you guys, this is Antoinette coming to you from Creations PS91. I was coming on today, guys, to just let you know about some subscription boxes that I get monthly, and I wanted to share, and I hope you like it, and I hope you're interested. Okay, you guys. The first one, the first subscription box that I get every month is the Annie Hook and Needle Club. Now, if you are a crocheter or a knitter, especially a beginner, this is perfect for you. It comes like this in a box. This right here is the stitch guide. And it just lets you know about certain stitches and things that you could, learn and do, which I think is awesome. If you want to learn how to knit or if you want to crochet, I am a crocheter. But they have both of them for you. So that's this. And then you also get the complete, whatever they send you in the month, they give you everything you need except the hook or the knitting needles. And so what we got today going on, they sent me Learn a Stitch dishcloth. So we have these beautiful dishcloths, you guys. I'm going to open it up right now so we can see the yarn, which is the best part, right? Okay, you guys, so this right here is the actual patterns that they actually give us for knitting and crochet. Let me open it up for us. And I love, one of the things that I do love about this is that it is easy. The skill level is easy, and you'll be able to make, this is a great beginner project. So they have the patterns for each one. Let me get this right here. For each one, and even if you are a beginning knitter, they do have that also, which I liked. And this is the knitting, and the crocheting is in the front. And here it is. And you know what? Let's get to the yarn because that is the best part in my book. So let's get touching some yarn. Okay, so we have the 3 yarns right here. Aren't they beautiful? It is 100% cotton for the dishcloths. And it's nice, soft, just really, really nice. I really like it. And I love the color. I believe, let me make sure, this one right here is called Tangerine. Yes. This is Tangerine Splash yarn, which is really cute, huh? And then we have this one right here, which is Honeydew. This is a honeydew color. Isn't that beautiful? Woo! My word. Awesome, awesome. And this one right here is called, let me look in the book, y'all. This one is called Ocean Splash yarn. And these yarns are beautiful. Can you imagine these in your kitchen? You know, you just washing dishes and stuff like that, but you got a little splash to your kitchen. I like that. Okay, so here we go, you guys. And if you are interested in this monthly subscription is, let me get my paperwork and my glasses on, y'all. Y'all know I need me some glasses. Okay, so what we got the Annie's. The hook is called Hook and Needle Club. It is your first shipment is $9, $9.99 plus $5.95 shipping. So it comes up to $15.95 on your first one, and then after that, they bill you $19.99 plus shipping. So it really is. If you're looking for, beginner projects and to always monthly to get yarn, to get a pattern, because you'll pay way more to get these things if you was to do this on your own. So this is like really, really good beginner. And Annie's, what could you say? If you do not know about Annie's hook, the clubs she has, the the subscription books. I subscribe to some of their books. It is a really beginner free, very informational subscription club to join. I wanted to come on today, you guys, and I wanted to share that with you. Thank you, guys. I will see you soon. And remember, you guys, when you creating with your hands, you always have peace within your heart. I'll talk to you guys real soon. Bye.